Well, we have some breaking inputs coming in amid water crisis in parts of Delhi. Water is being supplied through tankers, and we're getting some visuals or updates from Okhla, where water was supplied this morning with the help of tankers. There's water shortage and the crisis continues. Sabyasachi is getting us more details. Sabyasachi, once again, people have had to stand in long queues to get their daily supply of water. When is this crisis going to be over is the question that every Delhiite who's suffering from this is asking.
Well, absolutely. That is a major question the people of the national capital is asking, because they are the ones who are continuously suffering because of the water shortage here in the national capital. The temperatures are continuously rising, and under these circumstances, the people of the national capital have to stand in long queue to get their water from the tankers. Meanwhile, both the political parties are engaging in war awards. We had seen that yesterday the Aam Aadmi Party leaders gathered in front of the residence of Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil, and they were asking C.R. Patil to intervene into the situation and to ask the Haryana government to release the adequate amount of water. Now, yesterday as well, the BJP leaders of the national capital, the 7 MPs, had held a Matka Fort protest against the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP have been alleging that this particular situation that is going on here in the national capital is because of the Aam Aadmi Party's incompetence to handle the Jal Board. They say that the Jal Board controversy is not new. It has in fact began from the time when Arvind Kejriwal was the chairman of the Delhi Jal Board. Since then, nothing has been done in the last 10 years.
Well, the blame game continues. Sabyasachi, stay on with us. There's massive protest happening and political showdowns also unfolding in Delhi as the Delhi BJP unit has taken to the streets. Demonstrators are voicing their anger against the Arvind Kejriwal-led government, blaming it for the ongoing water crisis that has left many residents struggling.
कहते हैं ना, नियत हो तो नियति भी बदलती है, लेकिन माननीय मंत्री आतिशी जी की और केजरीवाल सरकार की नियत ही नहीं है काम करने की। दिल्ली सरकार केवल भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त है और इलीगल टैंकर माफिया को प्रोत्साहित करता है। तो आप किस मुंह से ज्यादा पानी मांगते रहते हैं? आप केवल दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के अधिकारियों पे दोषारोपण करते हैं या फिर आप हरियाणा पे दोषारोपण करते हैं?
इनकी लापरवाही, इनकी चोरी, ये पानी की बर्बादी, ये मूल कारण है जो दिल्ली पानी की तरफ 10 साल से आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है। 2024 तक हर नल में जल देने का वादा अरविंद केजरीवाल ने किया था। क्या वो वादा था? वो तो जेल में बैठ गया आराम से, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता के नेगलेक्ट छोड़ दिया। दिल्ली में पानी की चोरी जो आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक करते हैं, दिल्ली में पानी की बर्बादी जो इनका प्रशासन करता है, इस पूरी बर्बादी की जिम्मेदार आम आदमी पार्टी है।